Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. If you're here, it means your Amazon Firestick isn't working and you need some help fixing it. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll walk you through some easy troubleshooting steps to get your Firestick up and running again. Let's dive in. Section 1. Restart your Firestick. First things first, let's try restarting your Firestick. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor issues. Press and hold the select and play pause buttons on your remote for about 5 seconds. Your Firestick should restart automatically. Section 2. Check your internet connection. Next, let's make sure your Firestick is connected to the internet. A poor or lost connection can cause it to stop working. 1. Go to Settings on your Firestick home screen. 2. Select Network and check if your Wi-Fi network is connected. 3. If not, select your network and enter the password. Section 3. Check for updates. Keeping your Firestick up to date is crucial for its performance. Let's check for any available updates. 1. Go to Settings on your Firestick home screen. 2. Select My Fire TV or device and software. 3. Choose About, and then check for updates. 4. If an update is available, install it. Section 4. Clear cache and data. Sometimes, clearing the cache and data of specific apps can resolve performance issues. 1. Go to Settings on your Firestick home screen. 2. Select Applications. 3. Choose Manage Installed Applications. 4. Select the app that's causing issues. 5. Click Clear Cache and Clear Data. Section 5. Factory Reset. If all else fails, you might need to perform a factory reset. This will erase all data on your Firestick, so use it as a last resort. 1. Go to Settings on your Firestick home screen. 2. Select My Fire TV or device and software. 3. Choose Reset to Factory Defaults. 4. Confirm the reset. Conclusion. And there you have it. These steps should help you fix your Amazon Firestick and get it working smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.